How to complete your student placement survey. The placement survey is part of your student steps when starting at Victor Valley College. It is a short survey that ensures you register for the appropriate math and English course based on your academic history and major. First, visit our website at www.vvc.edu. Then click on My VVC, located on the top right corner of the page. Next, sign into MyVVC with your login credentials. Next, click Web Advisor from the application options. Then click Login, located on the top right corner of the page. Then click Students, located on the right side of the page. From the Student menu, click on Placement Survey, located within the Academic Profile section. On the Self-Placement Survey, answer the first two questions below. Make a note of the recommendation, then click the To Continue Placement Survey button. You will be presented with information about English and math courses at VVC. Make sure to read through all the information and answer the placement questions. Once you have answered all of the questions, click Submit on the bottom of the page. You will then be presented with your VVC placement results. Next, schedule an appointment with the VVC counselor to create an educational plan that will map out your classes while you're with us. Thank you for watching. If you need additional support or have questions, please reach out to the counseling department by calling 760-245-4271, extension 2296.